बेग का हार्वेस्टिंग एंड दिस इज अ पोटैटो। लीव्स जब ड्राई हो जाते हैं तब ये पोटैटो रेडी हो जाता है। ना से कुछ नहीं होगा, आज मेरा लंच भी नहीं बनेगा इससे। ओके सो गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस। सो आज हम करने वाले हैं इस ग्रो बेग का हार्वेस्टिंग एंड दिस इज अ पोटैटो। देखो पूरा रेडी हो गया है एंड व्हाट आई नो इज़ जब आपका ये जो सीड्स होते हैं आई एम सॉरी क्या बोलते हैं, लीव्स जब ड्राई हो जाते हैं तब ये पोटैटो रेडी हो जाता है। सो दैट इज़ व्हाई आई एम गोइंग टू हार्वेस्ट टुडे। चलो हम हार्वेस्टिंग करने के लिए रेडी हो जाते हैं। Yeah. Amazing. Okay, so this one is the real potato. This one is the real potato, जो कि है, and then I got a tiny one. Wow, one more small. Hi. Guys, I got only this much potato from this bag, and I have decided to take this out as well. So this is not yet ready, but I'm going to take this out as well. इतना से कुछ नहीं होगा, आज मेरा लंच भी नहीं बनेगा इससे। So let's take it out from this. I'll get some more potatoes here. Oh, hey guys, I'll see you. Okay, so I'm super excited, guys. Let me show you. Here is the one big potato size is there. Oh my god, can you see? There's the big. Oh, this is so big. Wow. Okay, so I got one big potato, and then. Oh god. One more. Wow. One more is there. Oh, this is tiny one. And then, few more. Okay, wow. Here's one more. Okay. One more. Oh, the tiny potatoes are here. Oh, ये बहुत ही छोटा है. I think they are not yet ready. But all right. Okay. Oh, so many potatoes are here. Can you see it? Wow, this is lovely. Oh, okay. The really big one. I'm getting really big one. This one. Okay, so this was the actually potato which I put it. Okay, so here's lots of potatoes are there. Okay, so this. Wow, two, and then here also. Okay, so I'm a bit not happy with the result. Just look at this. These two grow bag, and I got this much potato. All right. Okay, let's take this into the kitchen.